Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove items from your Kroger online shopping cart. Open the website at Kroger.com, then click the drop-down arrow beside Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see a Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a shopping cart icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the shopping cart icon. On this page, under Delivery Cart, you will see an option for Show All Items. Click on Show All Items. Once the items are shown, click on the minus sign and put the quantity to 0. Then the item will be automatically removed from your cart. That's how you remove items from your Kroger online shopping cart. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.